Welcome to my video. Today we'll be unpackaging paper squishy blind bags. So today's theme is Among Us blind bags, and there is a Among Us picture over here, and there are black polka dots, and as we come down it is written as 2 bags with exclusive surprise checklist and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like the video. Let's start by cutting this up. And we get 2 blind bags and a checklist. So the pink Among Us character is special, purple Among Us character is common, and neon yellow Among Us character is ultra rare. Let's start by cutting this up. So guys, you ready? 3, 2, 1. You guys, we get the pink special Among Us. And I really liked how the drawing came out, and it looks super cute. And here is the note written as special. Let's open today's last mystery bag. I guess I cut this squishy off. So guys, you ready? 3, 2, 1. We get the purple Among Us character. And the purple Among Us character is common. So guys, it's now the ASMR time, and I will not be talking in this time, so that you can hear all the ASMR sounds. So guys, this was today's video, Among Us characters, blind bags, and I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. So bye bye, see you in the next video.